Yeah, hi guys, Stephen from my Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Sorry guys, I haven't been making any video for the last week or so. I've been busy with other matters. However, we are back with Euro USD currency pairs. It's one that's been quite dramatic and producing some pretty good income. The last video I made was what was it? When was this one updated? 10th of May, and I put out a call for a buy positions for Euro USD. It ran about beginning of May when it was had a broken or corrections of the market, and my funnel or channel anyway, or tunnel if you wish, indicating that USD was going to go up. Of course, this is today's chart, live chart with investing.com, and that's exactly what it's done. That's the break in the middle, and I think I made a call around about 1.08, which is around about this area here. And if you can see, it was around about this area here. That's when I made the call to prepare for these assets to go up and purchase some call positions in accordance with my this reference that I had put up. Anyway, let's continue that that chart and indicators by throwing up some lines. It gives us an indication, of course, of where this asset is moving. And if we do a bit more at the top here, it will also show, as you can see, it's going up dramatically up here, which is a very good reference point to be purchasing some stock of Euro USD at the time when I made the call, which was around about, as I said, 1.08. But at the meantime, it's, as we can see, it's reading 1.1065, which is a dramatic money maker from this point to where it is today. Now, this video is really to show you approximately where it's going in the future. And if we go back again to our historical data, we will recognize Euro USD is probably moving towards this perfect indicators, these pointers here, which is around about 1.1115. It might hit that point and might come back down again, where you can purchase some put positions. But bear in mind, this particular asset is moving upward. That's the trend line. If you recognize also, if we take this pointer here, it's been going up here ever since the beginning of the year 2017. Now those are reference points, and I can point out on this currency pair, Euro USD. And if we take this line now, up here somewhere, let's take it a bit further, we'll recognize that this particular asset is coming back to where it's around about 1.113, which was around about let me give you some better reference, November 2016. And if it comes up to this point again, that is an indicator to us. We'll hit that certain level, then we'll decline a little bit. We'll probably come down to around about where 1.09, I guess, or 1.1, and we'll continue its upward trend. But in the meantime, what is important, and you still got this average line where it is now to make some money on the core positions before it does a reverse somewhere within this area. I think 1.1130, where this asset, I think it's going to do a reversal. So far it's been predictable, very, very predictable, and it is one that you can easily generate a bit of income just following some of these historical data, as I stated before. You draw some more of these lines to give you that indication. Now, how I sort of tend to read this, if this was a tunnel, this asset can't go anywhere else but upwards. See the trend? It gives me that indication, regardless of all these peaks and valleys, resistance and support. Generally, this asset is going upwards. So just timing your reference, your where is your entry point? I guess the next entry point, I think, will be around about 1.11. I'm pretty confident. The reversal will come up at probably 1.111. And you can probably take a reversal trade, which is a put trade, probably I guess down to 1.100, and that gives you another opportunity again when it reaches that downward trend, and you open up another put position, call position, as this asset is going upwards. And if you can see, historical data tends to repeat itself, and it will probably continue all the way up to probably 1.13, which is a lot of money to be capitalized from where it is at this point up to around about where my cursor is right now. It's not going to be perfect in number size, but of course the chart hasn't failed us yet, and has continued to produce great income so far. So I suggest at this point of time, it's the wrong reference, I'll be getting ready to probably open up some trade on a put call once it hits around about, when it hits that resistance line that I put there for you, which is around about probably 1.108, or even wait till it probably hits 1.1100. Again, these are just reference to help you gauge the market, especially USD. There are other, of course, assets that you can follow, but I particularly like a EUR/USD because it's volatile. At this point of time, it's calculatable. It's showing some great indicators to trade with. In this frame here, in the meantime, it's set at it's a 5-hour frame. So if I take it down to 1 hour frame, it shows a slightly different chart, but yet it's basically the same thing. Slightly different variation in frequencies, but it still shows us a gradual growth, especially taken from this point here with the break of the market, and it reset itself. I think my last call, which was, as I said, the 10th of May, which was pretty good, taken from this point on. I guess we can have a look at it to where it is today. Indeed, that's exactly sort of had happened. It flattened out a little bit, of course, then it went up from the 14th of May. And that is a good prediction that has come into our favor. And of course, if you took some, good on you. But this is the next call. This is why this video has been put up, to prepare you to take some probably some put call in the next maybe day or two, and capture this particular asset reverses. Anyway, this is Stephen iFood from iFood Fortune, creating fortune for the future. And Jesus bless you. Stay away from scams, and looking forward to bringing you some more of these indicators to help you trade successfully in the stock market. Anyway, we'll catch you in my video. Bye for now.